Hey my friends, how are you today? So I've started building the Katusha. So this is Miniart's little T-60 Katusha rocket bloody thingy. It's really good, I like it a lot. I really like Miniart's T-60s. So it's pretty much the same as the other T-60s, so you know, the normal one there. Except the interior, you don't get the little ammo racks on the back here. That's about the only difference on the inside. So getting that all ready, and you can see I've built it up. So I built the front plate on and put the engine in, and I'm just painting it up like that. So I haven't glued the sides on yet or anything like that, or the rear. But I've only really built these 3 plates up yet, and I'll get these together and we'll put the other side on. But the interior is really quick and easy to do. Once you get those engines built up and that transmission and differential, it's very easy to do. You know, it's not a full interior, one of Miniart's half interiors, but really nice. Like just goes together very well. I haven't wired it up or anything because I'm going to put this in a diorama and you won't really see the interior. But I am doing a nice job of it as best I can. I've gone with a sort of a blue-grey. It's really simple to make up. They've got some good instructions, really good instructions. And you can see it does require a bit of assembly. A lot of it has to go together with tiny little parts. You know, you get your tiny little parts on the bottom of the engine and stuff. That part there is really small. And there's a little bit of photo etch, but not too difficult, although you do need to do some bends. So I've basically got up to this point here. I'll start building this up, and yeah, it'll be cool. But yeah, I really do enjoy it. Very, very nice. But yeah, this is basically ready to start putting together. We can do some washes, but I can do that once it's constructed. Just doing this sort of detailed brushwork, you don't want to have it all boxed in, you know what I mean? That's how I did the first one. The T-60 was the second Miniart kit I built, and it was a big eye-opener. I can tell you now, I've really improved since then. Improved a hell of a lot. This build here looks a hell of a lot cleaner than when I first did it. It's really nice. Looking forward to having that finished. But also got this one pretty much done. The Corson pocket. These figures look amazing. And I'm building up a aircraft carrier for a friend of mine. He gave me this. It's a very old aircraft carrier of the Enterprise. So I'm just sort of getting the base of it done. That's about it. That's all that's going on. This looks awesome. I love this. Miniart's Soviet Gaz-5 truck. The double axle. Very, very nice. All by Miniart. I'm going to build up a nice big scene for this, big battle scene. And that'll get weathered into that more. Got lots of stuff going on. Alright my friends, I'll speak to you again very soon.